Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain how to make smart resumes will not only acceptable by the recruiters, but will pass the ATS as well. Let's start the video. First of all, I will tell you what is resume. A resume is a short limited document that is designed as per the job application. If you want to understand what is difference between resume CV, then please check the link below in the description. Before going into smart resume details, there are a few tips that are necessary to keep in mind to make a great resume. Here are the tips. There should be 1 or 2 pages on resume. There should not be spelling grammar errors. Reasonable space should be between main headings. The resume overall look should not be congested. The resume should be colorful, so try to choose a good design. Now let's move to the smart resume. Firstly, let's discuss the profile picture. It's like mandatory because it gives the first impression of you. The picture should be updated professional. You can place your picture on either the right side or left side according to the design. The next important section is about personal details. You have mentioned your complete name. Under your name, you will mention your expertise or your current position, then any special certification, then your total experience, or you can mention your highest qualification as well here. This small section gives all the basic details in one line. Then below, you will mention your contact number, email address, and LinkedIn profile link. You can also mention your postal address here if you want. Here's an example of personal details from my resume. The next point is about summary or objective. The fresher or junior should mention the objective, and the senior should mention the summary. You can mention your main relevant professional expertise in summarized form as per the job ad. The next section is career history, which very important part of the resume. The current other jobs which you have done already will mention here in reverse chronological form, meaning the latest one will be the first one. The fresher junior will mention like company name, time duration, job title, achievements, job responsibilities. Senior professionals will mention like company name with time duration or job title, timer duration or job title. Now we will discuss the achievements. Senior ones will mention the achievements in this section. These should be according to the job ad. Try to mention the achievement or targets in A. In number forms, there should be at least 5 to 7 points here. The next part is experience. You will have to mention the experience as per the job ad. You can put your keywords here according to the JD or job ad. Mention your experience in bullet form with minimum details. Next is the qualification, courses, certifications, and trainings. All details should be in reverse chronological form, means the latest one will be the first one. Competencies is also an important section of the resume. You should mention some of your competencies here as per the job. This shows that you have the ability to handle the job. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, the shared information will add value to your life. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.